Good day and welcome to lesson 1 of 4 of how to extend the computer's life.
Brought to you by Gustavo Garza.
The objective of the lesson is to help the learner identify what makes up a computer both internally and externally. We will then proceed to give a learner the knowledge of where and how to set up the computers, and finally, the lesson 1 will end with the discussion of how to keep a computer from overheating and what measures the users can take in order to keep a thermal breakdown from happening. Let us begin with examining the exterior of a computer. We will start with the computer case. We will examine what it looks like and what it does. A computer case, much like any other housing device, is used to have components mounted inside of it. Although there are many different types of computer cases, we'll be focusing on tower type cases only. In this picture we see a full tower, a mid-sized tower, a mini tower, and although we see 3 towers in this picture, we can clearly see how they are different in size and shape. In the technical field, we identify varying shapes and sizes as form factors. As we can see and imagine that in a bigger case, you would have more items that could fit into it.
In this section, we'll be introduced to part identification inside of a computer case. We will start by looking at the biggest component inside the computer case, the motherboard. The next device will be memory or RAM, followed by the brain of the computer, which is your CPU. The next device would be a storage device, which is called the hard drive. The next component is our optical drive. Our final component, the energy box, which is called the power supply. Objective 2, setting up a computer for normal operation. Although necessity sometimes call for drastic measures, this is obviously not a good place for a computer. Although comfort is important, this can never be done with a computer. Here we have a perfect setting for a computer. As we can see, the computer is off the ground, allowing airflow. The case is out of the way but not encased. The essential equipment for the user, such as a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, are placed in areas suitable for the proper posture. Here is an example of how not to cool down your computer, how to maintain a computer. Never use water, Windex, or any other cleaning solution for an LCD screen. Use the proper cleaning such as the kit that you see here. Super Clean Glue Gel is a new product that gives your keyboard a thorough cleaning. How to prevent thermal breakdown. One step to prevent thermal breakdown is by doing some cable management. Yet another method is by using a vacuum cleaner to clean out the insides of a computer case. This is a result of a computer being neglected. As we can appreciate, a computer case such as the one shown has dedicated areas for airflow and should never be blocked or restricted by improper setups or neglect by the user. This concludes lesson 1. Thank you for watching. My name is Gustavo Garza.